Aesop's Fables. The Farmer and His Sons. A farmer, who was on the verge of death, wanted to make sure that his sons would overcome their personal quarrels and maintain the farm in a successful way. So he called them together and said, "My sons, I am about to depart from this life, and you will find all that I have to leave you in the vineyard." Some time later, after the old man had died, the sons set to work with their spades and ploughs, thinking that their father had buried a treasure in the ground. They turned the soil over and over again, but found no treasure. However, the vines, strengthened and improved by this thorough tillage, yielded a finer vintage than they had ever produced before, and more than repaid the young farmers for all their trouble. Moral: Industry is truly a treasure in itself.